Hello everyone, I am Naina Gite from Hindi Madhyamik Vidyalaya. In our last session, you had seen similar triangle and case for similarity of triangle. Using all properties you had seen in last 3-4 session, today we are going to prove theorem of areas of similar triangles. We are going to theorem of areas of similar triangles. Read first read the theorem. Theorem is given here. If two triangles are similar, then the ratio of area of both triangles, is proportional to square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. Again, I read this theorem. If two triangles are similar, then the ratio of area of both triangles is proportional to square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. Means in theorem there are two similar triangle given. In theorem there are two similar triangle given, and you have to show the ratio of area of both triangles is proportional to square of the ratio of their corresponding side. This is our proof. So first draw diagram for theorem. In theorem already given there are two triangles. So first we draw triangle ABC and second triangle XYZ. This is our diagram. Triangle ABC and triangle XYZ. You can see here this is dotted line. This is also XT dotted line. Means there is a construction. Construction is AD perpendicular to BC and XT perpendicular to YZ. Then write given part. Two triangles are similar is already given in theorem. So we draw two triangles ABC and triangle XYZ. So you can write in given part triangle ABC similar. Triangle ABC similar triangle XYZ. Triangle ABC similar triangle XYZ. Then last part to prove. You have to prove area of these both triangles is proportional to, you have to show the area of these both triangles. Area of a triangle ABC upon area of triangle XYZ is equal to ratio of both triangles, write down here ratio of both triangles, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle XYZ is proportional to square of the ratio of their corresponding side. Corresponding side AB, corresponding XY. So I write here AB, ratio of AB and XY in square, means AB square upon XY square. Again BC corresponding side is YZ. So I write here BC square upon YZ square. And last side AC corresponding side is in XYZ XZ. I write here AC square upon XZ square. AC square upon XZ square. You have to show this. Area of a triangle ABC upon area of triangle XYZ is equal to AB square upon XY square is equal to BC square upon YZ square is equal to AC square upon XZ square. Here is construction given. Already we draw in diagram segment AD perpendicular to BC and segment X perpendicular to YZ. Right? Means you have to prove the ratio of area of two triangles are equal to the ratio of their base and corresponding base and height. You already know the ratio of area of two triangles are equal to ratio of their base and multiplication of corresponding base and height. This proof you can prove in our last session, first session, the properties of two triangles, Now you have to prove the theorem. First, in triangle ABC and triangle XYZ. I am taking the ratio of both triangles. So I can write here area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle XYZ. You know the property about the area of ratio of two triangles is equal to their corresponding base into height ratio. Base into height ratio. Base into height ratio. So in ABC and XYZ from figure, I write the area of a triangle ABC upon area of triangle XYZ is equal to BC base and AD height, BC into AD and BC into AD and BC into AD upon YZ into XT. This YZ is the base of second triangle XYZ and XT is the height of this triangle. But in theorem already given, both triangles are similar. Triangle ABC similar, triangle XYZ is given. Write down here given. This is our first equation. ABC similar XYZ. Then you can say the corresponding angle is also equal. So I write here angle B congruent angle Y. Angle B congruent angle Y. I take only one corresponding angle. You can write angle B is equal to angle Y, angle A is equal to angle X, angle C is equal to angle J. So I write here angle B congruent angle Y. Give the corresponding angles of similar triangles. Corresponding angle of similar triangles. This is our equation number 2. If both triangles are similar, then you can show the ratio of their corresponding side is also equal. So I write here AB upon XY is equal to BC upon YZ is equal to AC upon XZ. Again write the reason corresponding side of similar triangle. This is our equation number 3. This is our equation number 3. Now again observe the figure. AD is the height and XT is also height. So I am taking this side of triangle. Triangle ABD and triangle XYT. Triangle ABD and triangle XYT. I am taking triangle ABD and XYT. Again you can write here angle ABD congruent angle XYT from equation 2, because in triangle ABC B corresponding angle in triangle XYZ Y is congruent. So ABD is equal to angle XYT also congruent from equation 2. Again second angle ADB congruent and angle XTY. Angle ADB congruent angle XTY. Why? Because both angles 90 degree. Each 90 degree. D is a 90 degree perpendicular to BC and T is also 90 degree. So both angles are equal in triangle ABD and triangle XYT. In both triangle we show ABD congruent XYT and ADB congruent XTY. So you can say triangle ABD similar to triangle XYT. Which reason? AA test. From AA test. In both triangle we show two angles are equal. Then from angle test we can say here triangle ABD similar to triangle XYT. If triangle ABD is similar to XYT, then you can write the ratio of their corresponding side is also equal. Ratio of their corresponding side is also equal. So write the ratio of their corresponding side. I take a 2 ratio of both corresponding side. AB upon XY, AB upon XY and AD upon XT, AD upon XT. Give the reason corresponding side of similar triangle. This is our equation number 4. Means in equation 4 we show AB upon XY is equal to AD upon XT, and in equation third we show AB upon XY is equal to BC upon YZ is equal to AC upon XZ. Means AB upon XY is equal to AD upon XT, BC upon YZ is equal to AD upon XT, and AC upon XZ also AD upon XT. But we show only AB upon XY is equal to AD upon XT. This is our equation number 4. You can say from third and fourth. Corresponding sides of similar triangles. Corresponding sides of similar triangle. Now, AB upon XY is equal to BC upon YZ. In our first equation, the corresponding side. Therefore, BC upon YZ is also equal to AD upon XT. In last equation, we show AB upon XY is equal to AD upon XT. So you can say BC upon YZ is equal to AD upon XT also, because AB upon XY is equal to BC upon YZ. AD upon XT. Write again equation 1. Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle XYZ is equal to ratio BC upon YZ, BC upon YZ into, you can write here BC upon YZ, BC upon YZ, means, so AD upon XT is equal to BC upon YZ. In our equation, write again equation number 1. Area of a triangle ABC upon area of triangle XYZ is equal to BC into AD upon YZ into XT. Write down area of a triangle ABC upon area of triangle XYZ. In equation 1 we write area of a triangle ABC upon area of triangle XYZ is equal to BC into AD upon YZ into XT. From fifth equation you can substitute AD upon XT as a BC upon YZ. AD upon XT as a BC upon YZ. So I substitute AD upon XT as a BC upon YZ from equation 5th. So area of a triangle ABC upon area of triangle XYZ is equal to BC into BC, BC square, YZ into YZ, YZ square. Therefore, write here area of a triangle ABC upon area of triangle XYZ is equal to BC square upon YZ square. BC and YZ both are corresponding side of both triangle ABC and XYZ. In this way, you can prove area of a triangle ABC upon area of triangle XYZ is equal to AB square upon XY square. Area of a triangle ABC upon area of triangle XYZ is equal to AC square upon XZ square. So you can write here area of a triangle ABC upon area of triangle XYZ is equal to AB square upon XY square is equal to BC square upon YZ square is equal to AC square upon XZ square from equation first and second. So in this way we prove the theorem of area of two similar triangles. When in the question is given if two triangles are similar, then use this property. Take a ratio of both triangles, area of ratio of both triangles equal to the corresponding side. Given corresponding sides square, ratio of corresponding sides square. Thank you.